Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Sara and I love filming cleaning videos as well as some organization and decluttering and occasional decorating video. Today's video is speed clean and undecorate with me. I don't have much fall decor, just a few things in my living room, and I'm going to take care of that today. I finally decided that I will do Vlogmas this year, so I'm preparing everything so I can start filming my Christmas decorations videos, and I'm so excited for this. We can leave and run away someday. I'm starting in my kitchen today to get it out of the way first because it was really messy. You can see that I started with the dining table and I'm just wiping it down with wet cleaning cloth. Now I'm putting away the dry dishes before I start washing the dirty ones, and you can see I have a lot of dirty dishes to wash. I wasn't feeling well the night before, so I just left everything and went to bed. If you watched my previous video, I mentioned that I had coronavirus and I was still a little sick when I filmed this video, so I didn't want to push myself too much. I still get runny nose and my voice isn't the best yet, and I'm out of breath a lot quicker sometimes, but this will probably go away in a few weeks. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're at a tight end. You, I got you. You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too.
I've been seeking for the glory. Say my name. And I've been trying to write my own story in the search for fame. I'm sitting here in this empty room. Walls keep tumbling down. 'Cause I ain't got nobody. I always feel so lonely when the day is through. I'm in the spotlight, night on till midnight. I want somebody to hold my hand. 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights.
The stovetop wasn't bad at all on this day, so I just wiped it down with wet cleaning cloth, and I did the same on the countertop, and then I went over with dry kitchen towel after.
I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights. I try.
Moving into my bedroom, and I'm collecting all the dirty laundry we had beside our bed, and I will take that into the laundry room and sort it later, and I will also make the bed. I try to make my bed every day. If I don't do it straight in the morning, I will do it at some point during the day. It makes the whole room look so much cleaner, even if I don't do anything else in here.
'Cause I ain't got nobody. So lonely when the day is through. I'm in the spotlight, not home till midnight. I want somebody to hold my hand, 'cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights. I used to spend time with all my friends, but who's gonna like me if I'm not there? 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights. Ooh, ooh, I'm getting really scared of heights. Ooh, ooh, I'm getting really scared of heights.
Now I'm in my living room and I will start with the TV stand. I had those fall leaves with lights on here. I really love having lights around the house in fall and winter. It gives me such a warm, cozy feeling. And I had a little bit of trouble separating the lights from leaves because I had to really tangle them when I put it up here so the lights didn't stick out that much. But I managed to finish it at the end. And after I did that, I went ahead and dusted the entire TV stand because it really needed it.
I used to spend time with all my friends, but who's gonna like me if I'm not there? 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights. Give me love, give me all your love. Oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side.
And now I will collect everything from the coffee table so I can wipe it down after. I also had this pumpkin with lights inside on the table. I will put the decorations away and straighten the couch at the end.
Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything, as long as I can be here with you. Everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you.
I also had to vacuum here. I said this in many of my videos. The floors in here are complete disaster all the time, mostly because of our animals, but the mess is nothing compared to the happiness they bring to us.
Giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love.
Now I'm moving back into the bedroom and I will start folding some laundry, and I also have a load waiting for me in the washer. So after I'm done with that, I will also go ahead and hang that clean load of laundry.
Give me all your love, give me all your love.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky, when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love out loud, love out loud, love out loud, love out loud. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder.
And that is everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this speed cleaning motivation. If you did, please leave a like and a comment. It helps my videos a lot if you do that. And of course, subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. I will post my first Vlogmas video on Wednesday, on the 1st of December, of course. I have to pre-film a couple of videos because posting this much videos will require a lot of hard work and organization, and I really hope I can do it all, and I hope you will be here with me. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate and love all of you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
A knight in shining armor, and I'm sure as hell not a savior when you need